So, good morning and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. We had now a very small failure on the ballast resistors. One of the wires here broke here. You can see this right here. And I got the LED lights installed in here, which you can see right here. And I did this in December of 21, so the ballast resistors are just, this here. It just plugs in. It has a female receptacle or male plug, and the female one plugs into the socket or to the wire to the light itself, and the other one plugs into the actual H4 socket for the original light wiring here from the vehicle. And the only time I really need the resistor is not for the warning light indicator that a light bulb is out to come on. That is that yellow light in the dashboard. And in this case, what happened actually is when that wire here broke, it kind of made a small intermittent contact, or it caused the light bulb to actually flicker. And I did not mount them to the fender simply because I would have to put a screw in. You could mount them like this. Probably would provide some more heat sinking capability, but then you have a screw in there, and without painting the hole and everything else, if you just use like a self-driller and tapper, then you're going to have your fender starting to rust. So I had just laid them basically in here, and that lasted for 4 years. Interestingly enough, is they seem to have souped up their overall design on this a little bit compared to the old connectors. And it's the same price, it's $16 plus shipping on Amazon. This is a T2 light from the LEDs. From Torchbeam or Torchbeam, I think that's what they're called. And they don't have them anymore. It's the H4 9003 HB2 or something like this version. So you cannot get them. They have them now up to T8s with the new LEDs, and they're even brighter. But they do not make them with the H4 connector, which is this style here, basically. Anyway, that's the only report. Everything else is fine here. We're looking good with everything. And again, I wish you a happy Thanksgiving.